In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Hollyland Lark M1 to laptop. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which laptop model you have, such as a MacBook, a Windows laptop, you will be able to connect your Hollyland Lark M1. You will use the microphone included with the Hollyland instead of the built-in microphone of your laptop. So all that you have to do to establish this connection is to grab the proper cables. I recommend doing this connection over USB-C. So what you will do is grab a cable like this one, 3.5mm to USB-C. If you want to, you can also use 3.5 to 3.5, so it would have two of these connectors, but like I said, I believe that USB-C is going to be the most convenient for everyone. So all that you have to do is plug the 3.5mm end of the cable into the receiver on this port available at the side, and the other one goes into your laptop. There's no secret to this. Upon doing this, if the Hollyland Lark M1 receiver and the transmitters are sufficiently charged, they will power on automatically and they will be available as input devices. So all that you have to do is establish a connection like so. These LEDs will light up when you power on the transmitters and they automatically pair themselves up with the receiver that is now connected to your laptop. So all that you have to do is establish a connection like this. You can also use different cables, as I've mentioned. You can do 3.5mm to 3.5mm, or any other ports available on the Hollyland Lark M1 receiver should work as well, as long as you are able to establish a physical connection using a cable between the receiver and the laptop. Just go over to the settings, audio devices, and you should see it available in there as a new input device, aka microphone. If it doesn't work right away, then try using a different cable. Usually certified cables will work natively, so if you are using a faulty cable, try swapping it out. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Hollyland Lark M1 to laptop. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.